somebody can bump him in this second round. The best of 2 rounds, the best time overall goes up on the board. And again, we'll see how things develop here.
All's good.
So Weston Bridges will be up next. He's ready to go. Weston Bridges. All right. Let's see what Weston does. He is popping. Click, click, boom, snap, crackle, pop. Time coming up for Weston Bridges. What's the time?
10.172. 10.172.
All right. 10.172 seconds, fans. 10.172 seconds for Weston Bridges. Jack Craig.
Yeah, kind of mirrored his previous run, struggling through the middle of the pit right there. In the middle of the pit. Right to the throttle.
Yeah, definitely understanding there's a problem there. As here comes now Bonnie Bost and the Riggett entry. Let's see what Bonnie can do. Bonnie Bost had some trouble at the get-go, but takes it to the far end with Old Glory waving in the back. But a 10.456, the best time for Bonnie Bost. 10.456 in the second run, so obviously the first pass was better. 6.337. Jack Craig, we have noticed in the second go-around here, they're 3 seconds off. It's unbelievable. 3 or 4 seconds off the speed times that they were in their first trial run.
Definitely not what it was earlier in the evening. Driver struggling to get through the middle of the pit.
It's obvious. You can tell that this track has changed. Randy Neal. Randy Neal in the Chevrolet. 5.782. And Randy Neal's in trouble. Oh, my God. Can he get out of it? Can he get out of the slump? He's the leader. 5.782. I'll tell you what, he didn't do 5.782 in this go-around, but he got to the far end. Trouble getting off the line.
11.397.
Take a lap around the speedway, Randy.
11.397, Jack Craig. 11.397, but still, he is the fast time with a 5.782.
Yeah, Randy really struggling there in the front part of the pit this time, but once he got out of trouble, that thing came alive. $11.397 for Randy Neal. His best pass was in the first time trial run, 5.782. Here comes Annabelle and Daniel Gallion. Daniel Gallion and Annabelle. Let's see what the time. 7.072. A little bit faster, Jack Craig. 7.072 for Daniel Gallion. That's because it's a Ford.
in Annabelle. Let's get a thought. Let's talk to Annabelle. Let's get the thoughts of Daniel Gallion. Daniel Gallion in Annabelle, 7.072, 5.884.
7.072 seconds for Annabelle. Man, looked like a pretty good run out there. A lot of other drivers struggling with the pit. How was it out there?
It was rough. You just got to line up the right way.
That's right. You got to line up the right way. Getting them ruts. Keep it straight. Looked like you did a good job with it, man. Like I said, 7 seconds. Other drivers struggling. Good time there, Randy.
Thank you.
So again, 7.072, the best time so far in the second time trial run, but it is still Randy Neal overall best time in his Chevrolet from the first time trial run with a 5.782. And Daryl Smith in Riggett just turned a 7.144. 7.144. So I'm kind of noticing, Jack Craig, after we go to pass after pass after pass, the track is starting to come to them as now wear and tear. Dalton Robbins will be up next. So wear and tear, Dalton Robbins. In first time trial run, he turned a 5.938, 5.938 seconds. Let's see what Darryl Robbins will do in wear and tear for the second run. Track looks like it's starting to come to the drivers after they had some issues in the beginning. Let's see where they develop. Whoa! Hold on! Ho-ho! Bobbing and weaving like a boxer through the pit. He got to the top end. 6.159, Jack Craig. Fastest truck so far in the second time trial run. But still, nobody has bumped Randy Neal with a 5.782, but a 6.159 for Dalton Robbins and wear and tear.
Man, that was pretty good fun. Turning left, turning right, back left, back right. He didn't know which way he was going for a minute.
Every which way but loose. Sounds like that song with the monkey in it. One more puller or one more competitor left to go in the stock V8 class second round time trials. It is Andrew Mode, the backyard dog. He turned a 6.282 second lap in first round time trials. Let's see where he goes in session number 2. Second time trial run underway for Andrew Mode, the backyard dog. Oh, he's stuck, he's slimy, he's grinding, he's bobbing and weaving, turning the hell out of that steering wheel. Will he make it to the end? He will. 7.271. 7.271 seconds. 7.271. Jack Craig for Andrew Mode in the backyard dog. So in the second truck lineup run for second time trial, 6.159 for Dalton Robbins. That was the best one, but it is still the best for Randy Neal.
7.721 for Andrew Mode. Man, that thing was a little loose out there. It looked like you were fixing to come over the guardrail for a minute. That looked like an exciting run.
A little fun.
Little fun?
Just a little bit.
All right, give it up for the backyard dog.
All right. So the stock V8 class has concluded. He was quick, best time in first time trial run, 5.782 seconds. He'll hold on to win in the second time trials as well. The Chevrolet, Randy Neal. Randy Neal in a Chevrolet winning in stock V8. Hot Street round number 2 is coming up next. And then we got the 4 and 6 cylinder class, and then we're done. Got 3 classes left to go.
before he gets out of the truck. Make an announcement, please.
Andrew Mode, I need you to move your truck, please. Andrew Mode, I need you to move your truck.
No, you need to be on the start line.
Oh, Andrew Mode, I need you to get to the start line, please. I'm sorry. Andrew Mode, we need you to get to the start line. Matt Shelley will actually be first, though, for Hot Streak. Matt Shelley, Tyler Carey, Jason Hopkins, and Andrew Mode. For the Hot Streak class, you are up next. Hey, little teaser, cover your ears if you don't want to hear who won the Bristol race. If you DVR'd it. I'm going to unveil the winner in 3, 2, 1. Car number 41 for Stewart Haas Racing, Kurt Busch out of Las Vegas, Nevada, wins the Bass Pro NRA night race at Bristol Motor Speedway. Kurt Busch again in a Ford, Jack Craig, wins for Stewart Haas Racing. Kyle Larson finishes in second spot. Chase Elliott finishes third. Joey Logano fourth, and Eric Jones the top 5. Clint Boyer, Ryan Blaney, Alex Bowman, Jimmy Johnson, and Kevin Harvick, your top 10.
Congratulations, Kurt Busch, for winning. Everybody, Kurt Busch fans out here? No, that's a big fat
no. Kurt Busch fans? Do we got any Kyle Busch fans? Oh, wow. How about Kyle Larson? Chase Elliott. Kurt Busch's most recent win until tonight at Bristol was in 2017. He won the Daytona 500 in February of 2017. That's his most recent win in NASCAR, the Great American Race. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready now for Hot Streak. Mud Stud Matt Shelley is up first. Matt Shelley, Tyler Clary, Jason Hopkins, Andrew Mode for Hot Streak. Reminder, there will be racing here on Saturday, September the 1st, featuring the Blue Ridge Outlaw Late Model Series and the Back to School Bash. Labor Day weekend, Saturday, September the 1st. That's the next activities here at Antioch Speedway. All right, we're set for Hot Streak. Matt Shelley in the Mud Stud. His first time trial run, he turned a 5.222. Let's see where he goes in session 2 now. And he has not wasted no time, spinning the tires deep and down, deep in the mud. Coming up at the top end, 225 feet and more. 4.401. A 4.401 for the Mud Stud and Matt Shelley. Jack Craig, they're getting faster. 4.401.
Definitely a good run for the driver in the Ford out of Lancaster, South Carolina.
All right. Up next is going to be Tyler Clary, barely legal. He turned at 4.919 in a first-time trial run. Let's see how he does in session 2. 4.919. The time to beat is a 3.956 set by Jason Hopkins and your Nightmare. And, hey, the Nightmare's coming up next.